Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Mia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we're going to be making a bouquet with these lovely flowers from Trader Joe's. I can't remember how much I spent on these. Oh, this was a $6.99 a $6.99 bouquet. So what we're going to do first is we're going to make a lovely bouquets for our girls. What I suggest is that you do this the day before and put it directly in water. So once you get your get it, we're gonna open it up. Sorry you guys, this is old, like a week old, so I'm going to first clean it up, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and I just separate my stuff. So we're gonna put our mums right here, our lemon leaf right here. We have a lovely lily, our button mums. Let's just take off these. Let's put our button mums right here. We have two carnations. Here goes some of our mums. And then we have, oh, these are beautiful money carcinos. Some of them are going to heaven because I've had these for over a week, for 2 weeks in my floor refrigerator. I've been bad, y'all. Sometimes I get to where I don't want to do anything and I get frustrated, but then, yeah. So anyway, we've got it all separated. So what we're going to do is, what I normally do is we take, this is going to be our focal flower. Let's just get this first. And oh, this is going to be hard because I usually do my flowers directly up. So I'm just going to crisscross. Oh man. Ooh, I didn't know it was going to be this hard to do. I have to look at it directly. Ugh. So we got everything, and then we're just going to take our two lemon leaf. One, let's bring this down a little bit. Two. So now we got everything beautiful in our hand. We are going to take our tape. Now some people use, what is it called? Zip ties. That could be easier for a beginner. And I wish I had some zip ties in here, because all you would zip tie it and stretch it. If you're more of a practiced person, you can use. So all I do is I get this finger. This finger is going to hold my tape while I just pull and wrap around, you guys. And then I'm going to look at it from the top. I'm going to just kind of pull it out, because sometimes I get tight on my stuff, and then that's basically it. We will cut and wrap with your favorite. So I will just cut it. So all we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon. Like I said, I hold it right here. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And then I cut, I fold it, and I take my pins going upward, 1 and 2, and there's our beautiful bouquet, simple and easy, and I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.